welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen I'll be showing you how to make this delicious macaroni tuna salad. To get started, I already prepped all my ingredients. I have the macaroni boiled. I did boil it in some salt, and I'll be using some eggs, of course the tuna. I have bell peppers, red onions, some mayonnaise and Miracle Whip. I'll be using some ranch dressing. I have some sweet relish as well as some parsley and some mustard. For the seasoning, I have garlic powder, complete seasoning, paprika, seasoned salt, and black pepper. So the first thing I like to do is prepare my dressing. I like to add all the condiments and the seasonings, mix well, and set that aside. It just helps to prevent overworking your salad. You know, when you add them individually, you got to keep mixing each and every one of them in, and I don't like to overwork my salad, so I like to prepare the dressing first and then I add it to the salad. And it's so important to taste as you go, because as I tasted this, I knew something was missing, and that was the mustard. I forgot the mustard. It needed that little tang to it, so I added the mustard and set that aside. So now we'll add the rest of the ingredients. We'll add our tuna, the bell peppers and the onions, as well as the eggs. We will mix that real well. Now feel free to add whatever you like to your salad. It doesn't have to be what I'm using here, or you can omit what you don't like. You could also add as much or as little as you like. So once that is mixed in, we'll go in with our dressing and we'll add the fresh parsley. And that's it. That's how simple it is. And this salad is absolutely amazing. It's perfect for the summer barbecue. You're having a cookout or a barbecue, this is the perfect side to take to that barbecue. Trust me guys, it is so flavorful and delicious. I know you'll enjoy it. And here you have it, macaroni tuna salad, the perfect summer side for your barbecue. Now I did pair this up with some delicious barbecue ribs, some chicken wings, collard greens, and some baked beans. It was so good. It paired really well with those other sides and that entree, and I hope you all give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, mwah, enjoy.